So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here is another tutorial video. And in this video I'll show you guys how you can build an online course selling platform using WordPress. You hear that right? An online course using WordPress. So we'll be developing this website totally using WordPress. There will be no extensional script or any other programs or software that will be included like some other ones that do. Here's their website where you can merge two platforms to attain your aim. But this video and this project is mainly going to be on WordPress. So if you love what you heard, ensure hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when we drop latest project just like this. So this is the online course selling platform, and you can see how beautifully designed this is. Yeah, so we have data science, we have Python, we have machine learning, we have Ruby. You can read more about that. We have JavaScript, we have HTML, we have CSS, we have Swift, we have Kotlin, we have React Native. So all of these are online courses where you can sell. So as you can see, data analysis. So this is a slider. We can check all courses right here. Why choose? So it's a product slider. That is why that one slide. Then you can see unlock your coding potential today. There are lots of, so you can also add graphic design, motion editing, video editing. It's not only about just programming, but any kind of course that you can make up and you can resell. Okay, so these are footer right here. So if you come down, let's go to the product and let's view all products we have, all courses. So if we click on all courses, it's going to take us to the shop where we can actually get the courses that we want to enroll for. So let's say each course is on $200. Each course is on $200. So let me see advanced programming techniques in Java. So I can go ahead and add that to cart. While this has been added to cart, I can go ahead and make my proceeding to checkout. Okay, so if I click on proceed to checkout, it's going to take me to the checkout page where I have to enter my first name. So I can just use this. So let me see. Let me just put something right here. Right, so I've just made that order, so I can go ahead. So I have cash on delivery. So once the project is delivered, maybe they're gonna make it in a disc and in a textbook. Okay, so the disc may possibly contain the video aspect of the, that is the video of the course, and having a textbook also just as for physical reference and instantiations of logics. Then the video aspects, which are going to be in the disc. So you can sell your courses on disc, on textbook, on a lot of online links where they can go and watch it online, where they can go online and read it. It can be a PDF file. So what we just want to set up right now is cash on delivery. So I can go ahead and place an order. So once I go ahead and place an order, the order has been received. So I say thank you for your order has been received. So what I'll just go ahead, I'll always come back right here to track when I'm going to receive. So they say number 5th of March, this, so cash on delivery. So they are going to bring it down to my home. So once I get my course, I will know that okay, I'll pay them the cash, right? It can be an online instant payment. You can integrate online payments. I'm going to show you how you can actually do all of those very quick using WordPress. So this project is actually a WordPress project. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get started. So if we go back right here to our site, you can see where you can subscribe to newsletter. You can see over 5 million students enrolled, transforming the future of education one student at a time. 90% of our students recommend us. So people always recommend us because we sell a very compiled and full course, full crash course, right? Yeah, so we provide them a complete course, not half, not quarter, not 50, 80%, 90%, but 100% of a total complete course. So the rest is for you to just what, do your own research and create a lot of projects of what you've learned. Okay, so this is also awesome, this is also slick. So we can come right here and see the category. So we have business and automation, full stack software, graphics, motion, 3D, UI, UX, and web development, photography, audio, and video editing. So I've come right here and see on graphics motion. So we can see, so it's still going to bring us to where we have our list of it. These are the list of what we've created. So once you create a product, ensure you put in a category. So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to do all of those real quick. So let's go straight into our development. So for you to get started, first of all, you need to get a hosting and a domain, and I highly recommend you using Namecheap, right? Use Namecheap or Host Africa, or even through host. So my affiliate link is going to be on the video description, so ensure you click on it to get started. So the first thing, once now I've gotten my own hosting and domain, the next I want to do is I want to go straight to my control panel. So I'll go ahead and click to, so I want to log into my account right here. So I'll go ahead and click on services. Then I click on services, then I log into my cPanel. So once I'm right here in my cPanel, the next thing I want to do is, if you do not see this on your side, your left sidebar, WordPress Manager by Software Clause, you can come right here and you click on your WordPress again, WordPress. So it's still going to bring it right here, WordPress Manager by Software Clause. So I'm going to click on it. So I can go ahead and make my installation. So I'm going to click on install, because I'm starting afresh, so that you guys will be able to see what I am doing. So I'm going to choose the domain I want. So this is the domain I want. I don't want it to be in any directory. I want it to be directly in my domain. So you just put in, I can say online course, online courses. So let me say best online courses platform, something like that. So you can actually have something more intuitive. So password admin, I'm not going to change all of this because this is just a tutorial. But for you, just go ahead and make your password more stronger. Okay, then you can go ahead and also change your admin username if you wish. So all these are default plugins. I will just leave them as they are. Then you put in the email you want to use to receive your installation credential. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and hit the install button. So our WordPress is being installing. So this is how you can create a website using WordPress. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do all of this real quick. And what we are doing right now is we want to build an online course selling platform, So right now, WordPress software has been installed on our site. So you can go ahead and browse our site and see how it looks. So it is our site right now. The next thing I want to do is I want to log into my administration end, which is my admin. So now we are in our admin. So you haven't taken backup since you activated backup. Take a backup like I already done it. Huh? So what we're going to do right now is we need a team that is going to help us structure our site properly, because if we say we should start taking it step by step, it's going to take a whole lot of time. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually develop website really fast, really swift. Or what you just got to do is to just create a little edit, add, subtract, just do your thing within what we are going to cover in this course. Okay, I'm going to click on team right here, and I'm going to click on add new, and I'm going to click on upload thing because I have a perfect team that you guys gonna need. So if you need access to this resource team, ensure you hit me on my WhatsApp number. Hit me on my WhatsApp, and my WhatsApp number is gonna be on this video description and also on my channel profile. Ensure you hit me real quick so that you can get started. So I'm gonna look for it. I have a lot of softwares that you're gonna need. All right, so we're installing our team. So the team I'm using is the team that you're seeing on my screen. So as theme is being installed, okay, the following link has expired. So if you want to solve this kind of a problem, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually solve this kind of a problem. This is a runtime. This is a runtime error. So we need to increase the runtime session. So what you're going to do is you get back to your file manager right here. Okay, so we're going to click on PHP. So let's check this multi something right here. So I want to check on class. All right, so this is right here. So I'm going to click on this max execution time. I'm going to increase it to 3000. This I'm going to increase this. My upload maximum upload 16 64 128. So let me use 128. Let me also use 128 also. So I'm increasing all of to make my site very powerful. So I'm increasing all of this. So I'm going to go ahead, allow URL open. All right, so I'll go ahead and click on apply. So those has been applied successfully. The next thing I'm going to do right here is I'll head back to, so let's click on back, and we're going to re-upload our theme again. So let's choose that theme. All right, so let's refresh. Let's click on upload, and let's select our theme, and let's hit the install. So it's going to install right now. So as you can see, our team is unpacking. So go ahead and click on activate. So you can see we've just learned how we can solve that kind of a problem while we are still on our install. So aside as we have installed our team, so next thing I want to do is let's get started. You're going to click on let's get started from there. Then we click on next step. So what I need to use is a visual. I don't want to use code because this is a no coding. So let me say what's the category? So with education and online. So it's let's see, animal culture by its corporation. Okay, your company type. Okay, educational science. No entertainment, no fashion. Is not. Let's see, products and service. So it's within those range, technology and computer, all of that. So it's within all those range also. So let's click on next step. So what do you want us to use? I actually want to use Elementor. So we'll click on next step. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I want to show you guys how you can actually set up this site real quick. You don't need to stress because time is gone. Time has passed when you have to do things step by step. So these days you can just pick up, you can just reuse templates, you can just make sure that you don't spend a lot of time, you don't spend a lot of resources, you don't get tired, frustrated, worried about doing something. So you just want to get started real quick, and it's all done real quick, real time. Like you can set up a site within a day and you submit to your client, or you start using it by yourself. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to show you guys, that you can set up a site within few hours, you're done, and you get your money, and you move on to the next, because we need more money, right? So we don't have to spend much time on one work. So I'll just go ahead and select it because this is what we're using. So I want to import the complete site, so I'm going to click on next step right here. I'll click on start installation, so I'll check this box, click on delete. So now everything is going to start from afresh, and all our required plugins will be getting installed because we need them. So you're just gonna take a cup of juice and ensure that you make yourself happy while the installation is going on behind the scene. So if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button, because we need your subscription to stay motivated and to stay encouraged. And another purpose of you subscribing to our channel is that you get notified when we drop fantastic projects. So why this is thing going on? So let's check if our site is up already. So let's refresh our site. So as you can see right here, our site is already up and running. So as you can see, we already have our site up. So our site is already up and running. So that should just be a mere error that has nothing to do with our project, okay? It has nothing to do with our project. Our project is fine. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is we want to start, I want to show you guys how you can actually edit this site, how you can actually do a lot of cool features on this project. So we have installed our theme, we have installed the template we want to use. The next thing we want to do is we want to start editing this project. So before we continue, I want to quickly install Elementor Pro, because we need Elementor Pro. So you come right here to online courses, you click on plugins, then let's click on scroll up, click on add new plugins. Okay, before we do that, let's click on back. I thought I saw some error. Okay, let's see. Your BTN contain updated copies of some WooCommerce templates files. Okay. So let's see what's the information there for us. Okay, so these are just version. So we're still good, everything works fine. So we are just having some version. But everything still work fine. So let's go right here to plugins. So click on add new plugins. Then we'll click on upload plugin. Then we're gonna choose. So I'll go to documents. So let me go to downloads. So I have Elementor. So this Elementor Pro. So we're going to install Elementor Pro right now. So our plugin is being installed. So let's go ahead and activate the plugin. So click on activate plugin. All right, so now we can go ahead and view our site. So let's go ahead and view our site. All right, so the next one we want to do is one edit using Elementor. So you click on edit with Elementor. So we want to edit our site right now. So every content that you want to fix, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do all of those. So you can see all of these can be edited. So I can go ahead and put at PNG's deck. So this image, you can change this image, right? You can also change this text. So use Ctrl Z to undo. If you run into, so you edit it right here. So I can say we provide the best and so provide the best explained explained best explained and complete crash. I don't know, maybe it's this kind of crash or crash course of any course you want to enroll for. Full stop. So let's just use that statement. So you come down right here, we can also change this. So this is the contact form ID. So you go to your contact form plugin, go to your contact form plugin, and you just ensure that you have it activated. So I'm gonna show you guys how you're gonna do that. So let's move straight to the other ones. So all these are logos. So if you do not want it, you can just go ahead, just be on it, then right click, then you have your delete. It's gonna leave, or you click Ctrl Z to have it back again. So unlock your potential with our comprehensive programming courses designed for us key. So you can edit all of these statements, unlock your potential, as you can see right here. You can come right here also and you make all these changes too. So transforming the future of education, one student at a time. So all of this you can change, even these images right here, you can have them changed. So this is the flexbox, so we can go ahead and check for the image content. So let's come to style right here. So this is the image right here, so you click on select, then you go ahead to where you download some images of your choice, then you just select the set of images you want to have on your site, right? You just select all of those and you have it uploaded. So let me say I want to involve this and this. So you just hold your control button and you touch the ones you want. They will alive, then you just click on open to upload. Then they will haven't been uploading. So as you can see, they have been uploading. So they have been uploaded. So I'm not going to change that image, but if you wish to change the image, and let me just change it to this right here, so you can see this has been changed, but I don't want this image. I don't want this image. I want this get back again. She's so pretty. All right, so she's back again. So also this, you can change this too. You just click on this right here that my mouse is hovered on. You come to styles and you make your changes. So the text on the web development essential, this right here, you can change all of this. So instead of you designing, not like I can teach you guys how you can design from scratch, I can, but I want to teach you how you don't have to waste much time on doing things that after 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, a month, 2 months, you are still on a project. No, within few hours you can just get a very nice template and you go ahead and reuse and get yourself really quick getting your job done, so that you move from one to another one and make more money. Okay, so this is also a digital marketing class because we're marketing our course online, so it's a digital marketing class. So the latest courses, create screen direct method, or add your images from Sketch or Figma. You can even synchronize design from your cloud storage, right? So all these are our courses, right? All these are our courses. You can actually change this text right here. You can actually change this image right here. You can actually change the price, right? You can see that this project is fully customizable. The next I'm going to show you guys is how you can change your logo and your footer content. All right, so all of these, everything right here are changeable, so you can go ahead and do all of those. So comments will be, I will show you how you can actually change comments. You can change comment from here. There is a function for that. So the footer also, I'm going to show you how you're going to change the footer right here. So let's go ahead and click on publish. So once you're done with every editing you want to do, you go ahead and all right, so we've made our publish. We've made our publishing. So the next thing I want to do is I want to show you guys how you can actually change your logo. So you come right here to your B theme. So let's come to theme options. So under theme options, we come to global, then we have logo. So let's manage templates right here. So we have header templates. So that means we also have footer templates. So let's go ahead and let's click on skip. So we want to change the logo. So click on logo right here. We click on the logo right here. Then we click on the pencil. So we click on browse. Then we click on so you just have to upload your own logo. So I don't have a logo right now. I will just look for something that I can use as logo. I'll just have to look for something that I'll use as logo. So let me use this one as logo. It's very big. Let me browse another file again. Or let me just go ahead and upload something that I can use. There is something like this. So for your case, it will be your own logo, okay? So for me, I don't have a logo that I can use for the purpose of this video, but I have something I can use. So as you can see, I just uploaded that. So the next thing we want to do is, we have done that. Then the next thing we want to do is, let's go back. So we've changed the logo. So let's check on the footer. So let's find a way to check on the footer. So let's browse our site first of all. Let's go to the footer. Let's see if we have something in the footer we can change. Okay, we have for the footer. So let's go back to our theme options. So come to our theme options right here. So let's look for our footer. So click on manage footer template, and anything you're editing is going to reflect in the entire site. Alright, so let's just click on the logo, then I'll click on browse. So you just pick your logo, you click on select. So that has been changed. Then you can go ahead, and so you can see we provide the most comprehensive and complete crash, I don't know if it's crash course from beginning or beginner to expert state. Alright, so we can go ahead and publish this. So click on save, and that has been saved. So we can go ahead and change this this footer right here. So http muffins group. So we're going to put our own site link, right? We're going to put on site link. So we're going to put on site link. Then the thing will not be our site. So let me see. Things tech call things tech courses by BNGS by Things Tech. Alright, reserve and powered by WordPress. Okay, stay okay. So we can go ahead and make that changes. So you can see how beautifully designed and easy this project is. So you can go ahead and, if you want to remove or add, okay, we'll have our subscribe for our contact page, newsletter too. So this is also slick, so awesome. So I'll go back ahead and also make another save changes. Then the next one to do is, this is how you also apply all of those to. So next I'm going to show you is how you can create new course. So you come to product right here. So let's go to product. So these are all our products. As you can see, under category, under this category, the tags. So you can just go ahead and edit. You can go ahead, just click on quick edit. You do quick edit and you do re-edit. Okay. So the edit with Elementor or edit with BT. So after you've clicked on edit, so let's just quickly edit one. So this one is Elementor, so I'll edit with Elementor. So I clicked on edit with Elementor. So you can edit all of these statements, all of the attributes of the content. As you can see, you can go ahead and edit all of this. You can go ahead and do all of these editings, right? You can go ahead and do all of this editing. So let's see. So we should add a logo. So go to site identity. So they want to help us. This is a wizard that's going to help us to get this done. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and view our site once more again. So our logo has been changed. So build your future with online courses. So you can see unlock your potential, view courses. You can see how slick this site is. So awesome. So awesome. So awesome. So awesome. So you can also go ahead and edit category, okay? Click on edit category, it's going to edit the category. So this is how you can actually create an online course selling platform using WordPress. So if peradventure, okay, this page is coming, change visibility. Okay, let's come right here and change visibility. Let's remove it from develop to live. So let's put it on live. So it's save changes right here. So that has been changed. So we have a lot of fantastic and cool projects that you're gonna love. So we'll be uploading it time to time. Ensure you hit that subscribe button so we get right on point, right with you perfectly. Alright guys, so ensure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye for now.